What's up, everybody? Colin here at NoremTrades. Real quick, we're going to do a recap of two trades, one from last Friday, one from this Friday. And if you started with $100 last Friday, within those two trades, if you held and got out the right exit, you could have taken $100 to $20,000. 20,850 to be exact. So we're going to go over the first one, okay? So say we had $100. So while we were live trading, we bought calls at low of day down here on SPY, right at the 420 area. Well, we had a humongous move on SPY that day. SPY ran up over $11 to 431. Okay, so we grabbed 426 calls. We bought them for $15 a piece. If you had $100, you could have bought at least six of them. So 6 times 400 is 2,400 right there. I think they ran up to almost 500, so there's even more money on the table. But so then you have $2,400, right? If you exit, hold all day, obviously it's hard to hold that long and exit at a perfect time. But they ran well over $400, so we're gonna go to today. If we took that same $2,400 right this morning, you'd had to risk it all. But if you already had a few grand in your account, that's all profit money. That's something you could have done. So this morning, we did take calls off open, but this is the real trade right here, right below pre-market high. Okay, we had Michigan consumer sentiment come out today. It was lower than expected. It sent the market down. So right there is a catalyst. You have below pre-market high, and then you have a catalyst at your back. So we took 430 puts right below this pre-market high. They ended up being in the money later on in the day, okay? That's a humongous move on SPY as well. We called out the position during live trading. So if you spent that 2,400 on as many 430 puts as you could have, that would have been 150 430 puts, okay? So them puts had a high of the day at $139. So right there, you could have took $100 and two trades with us to over $20,000. So that would have been amazing. Obviously, we locked in profit on those. We didn't hold that long. We're going to work on scaling next week and being better with that. Real quick also, so if we did $1,000, if you started off with 1,000 instead of 100, you could have taken it to upwards of 200K. You could have bought 66 426 calls on this day back here, where we got that humongous move, right? They ran over 400, like I said. That would have netted you over $26,000. Starting with $1,000 that morning, you could have netted 26 grand, okay? And then if you took that money, that 26K over here to today, you could have bought 1,650 430 puts for $15 a piece, okay? I think you could have bought a little more than that, but we'll just say 15. Well, 139 divided by 8, 139 divided by 15 is 8. It's a little more than 8, so you actually would have made a little more. So 8 times that, 26,000, upwards of over 198K, 210,000, somewhere around there. So that's just the opportunity in the stock market. I just want to do a quick video on it. We've been having some amazing trades daily. I think we have 3 red trades in the 2 weeks we've been live streaming. We have about 15 or 16 green trades. This morning we caught calls 40%, and then we caught 80% on these SPY puts. We took calls off the open right here, quick 40%. And then we got ready for data, took the puts after that. So yeah, that's about it. I got more videos on here about my Weeble setup, everything like that. And these trades aren't even mentioning the other green trades that we had this week. We had a couple 200%, 300% trades. So if you did all of them and just kept growing your account, I mean, it's just pure insanity how much money you could have made. So I'm going to post photos at the end of this video to show proof we were in the position. You could also go back and look at the live stream. So I appreciate y'all joining me.